Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. Danny, where are we and who are you actually today?
I am dressed as Briar Rose, aka Aurora, Princess Aurora, and we are at the Oklahoma Renaissance Festival in Muskogee, Oklahoma.
Let's go adventuring! Thank you. We have made it.
Okay, so we're going this way.
Let's go right.
Turkey legs are right. Where did Caleb go?
How are you doing today? Is it the Bud Light night?
It is. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Oh, there's my favorite sign.
Your favorite sign, Smoking Dragon?
Smoking Dragon.
Oh no, your favorite sign, Smoked Turkey Leg.
Yeah, that's what I said.
That's a trebuchet, right?
A what?
A trebuchet.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a catapult. And it has a little rock there. Got the pirate shop here, Tortuga.
Let's go. Oh, do you want to get a pirate outfit? That's what
I don't know.
like.
Let's go check it out. You want to see it? That's some legit belts. Boots for days.
Wow. This one's fancy.
It's very lacy.
I like it. You should get a mask.
Look at the lion. The lion is sweet. We going in the castle?
I'm so happy!
Hot lady vest. Oh, it smells so good over here. I see a turkey leg in our future.
Do you? We have a wishing well.
Ah. Sorry, I'm the wrong princess. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry.
Sir Philadelphia. Ooh, this is sounding good.
This does sound good.
And if you don't like that, then they have corn next door.
Oh my gosh. Got my turkey leg, and I am so excited about this. I've been thinking about a turkey leg since last Renfest. So I got one. I'm gonna eat it. Sawyer ordered some fried pickles and what was the other thing?
Brat with sauerkraut.
So we're ready to eat some lunch and then we'll explore a little bit more.
I don't know that my meal's as epic as yours is. Fried pickles, brat with sauerkraut, turkey leg. 30-year cup of the Renaissance
We
Festival.
just learned something cool about it. You get, well, currently in 2025, if that's what year you want to say, you can do $3 refills on this cup, or she said you could bring it back every year and reuse it anytime. And we didn't know that, so we just learned that.
Save the Queen!
How are you? Good. Are you Cinderella? No, you're so. Wait, no. Sleeping Beauty. Yes. Sorry, I was getting all the princesses mixed up. I was getting there. You look beautiful. No. I have another thing that you probably really like.
Wow. That's crazy. Woo!
Thank you. I love that. Crazy, chaotic, good. Love the hat. Thank you. It's got all sorts of trinkets that a lot of people have given me too. Yes. Yes, so those are actually love bugs. Oh, love bugs.
Ah.
And that is my artwork. You look great. Thank you. You don't usually see the Briar Rose version, so you look lovely. These are pot people, pot heads, stash pot. Oh, it's their stables.
One, two, three.
Dragon eggs. Stay behind the safety line.
Woo!
Hey!
I love seeing all the costumes. Maybe next year we can get Sawyer into a costume. Hello, my darlings. Might we be in love on this romantic day? Yes. Yes. Could I possibly interest you in hearing a lovely romantic song written by yours truly, Lord Rumpel? Yes. Perfect. What is your name, darling?
Sawyer.
Sawyer, and your name? Danny. Danny, what a beautiful name. I know a Danny, and she is a lovely, lovely lady. All right, Sawyer and Danny, are you ready?
Ready.
All right. Beautiful. Oh, thank
like
you so
it, I like
much. Thank you. I knew you would adore it. Oh, perfect. Thank you, Sawyer and Danny, for
Thank
letting me
you.
serenade you today. That was amazing. I'm still laughing. It's yeah, that's the song.
That was the best. That was so awesome.
Oh, I think that was my highlight of the day. Forget the turkey leg, guys.
They got a plank you can walk. Choose your character.
Freedom.
Nice, I like it. You know, some of you looking, if you're curious, yes. Now these are actual first positions from real sword fighting manuals that we have studied.
He's so slow.
My name is Crazy Boy Coy. My real name is Coy, and I use the safe name Crazy Boy Coy because it's descriptive. I'm a little bit crazy, a little not right in the head. I do dangerous and stupid things for a living, yeah? When I put this torch out, I expect a burst of uproarious applause. Putting the torch out, using nothing but my knuckle. This next stunt requires my full concentration and every single muscle in the human body, so I ask that you hold your applause until the appropriate time. There's a built-in applause point. It's very obvious. You'll know it when you see it. That's not it. Thank you.
Dang.
For those of you sitting over there, Instagram me. Abs of steel. And finally,
I got the mead that I was looking for because I've never had it before. And honestly, it tastes kind of just like sweet wine. So, pretty good. Cheers!
Does it taste meaty?
Not mead tea.
Meaty.
I don't know, I've never had it, so...
What do you mean you've never had it?
What do you mean?
Mead.
What do you mean I've never had mead? It's delicious.
But you meaded some?
If you're looking for some Castle mead, it's at the cave. I haven't seen it anywhere else, so just FYI.
Now a little harder. A little harder. We're going to level out and blow hard.
I could almost use another snack. Did you say poutine?
Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Got a strawberry shortcake.
Fantastic.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's what's had. So it's got cake, ice cream, strawberries, and whipped cream, and people are loving this Sleeping Beauty costume. It's so much fun. They just sing a full song.
Got the poutine, fries and gravy and tots. A+. And I don't know why I said tater tots earlier, because it's definitely cheese curds. Cheese curds, fries, smothered in brown gravy. It is delicious. My hands are covered in gravy, but it is so good. That's awesome. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Oklahoma Renaissance Festival.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or you'll see a new video every single Friday. And follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!